Well, I'm up at the crack of dawn and I'm going on an adventure. So where are we today?
We parked in Pycombe.
Up here,
Right?
left,
Hold on.
left, past the church.
Right?
We actually want to be over there,
Right.
but we've got to go up, round and back on ourselves. But yeah, trust
okay.
me, I've got a map.
How many mics is it?
9, always 9.
Always 9
Always
mics. And for everybody who hasn't watched the previous video, which is up here, 9 mics is 1.333333 miles. So we're actually gonna reach the 12 miles today. If everything goes according to plan. And while we're here, a big shout out to Mike, who's given the name to our mics. Hi, Mike! Cows grazing. Yay! Oh, that's what that was like. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's great. That's luck right there.
Who did tread in the cow? Actually, I might do that. Next time we're up on the hills.
That is gorgeous.
Do a little excerpt.
Wow. I just don't take pictures of spooky tree tunnels. This is really spooky though, isn't it?
Yeah, you imagine this at dusk.
Oh.
So,
Go on. Hold on. Wait.
Ah, it goes down. Ta-da!
Huh?
Today I've learned a valuable lesson.
And I believe that I have learned a valuable lesson.
Really? Are we going straight up the hill?
Straight up.
Oh God.
To the pub.
To the pub. This is so picturesque. Now we came from up there. To the bottom of the valley, that two homes. One is the tomb of the devil and his wife.
Oh wow.
Do not see the devil being married.
Yeah. So who bought Christianity Romans?
No. It was oh gosh. Ah, shoot. Saint. I'll look into your question. They began to ridicule the devil, basically, by calling him all sorts of names. Idiot.
I used to have them in quite high respect.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Oh, come on, Satan, you can do better than that. To fall for the trick of a saint and a nun and a cockroach. Created by the devil himself. We need to put on video my style crossing expertise. This is what we step on. Style expertise. Up. I destroyed the camera while I did that, but yeah, well done. He goes all the way around. Oh wow. I'm definitely gonna do that. That's what I said.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Kind of looks like watership down a little.
Oh really?
Yeah. I'm constantly saying that this was the most beautiful view in the world. Question number 1, which side? And question number 2, did you realise when this side and this side, that this side was actually much better?
Just always like that.
That is probably the World War One bunker. To say camera,
No, I
please.
can't, yeah. Sorry.
Oh wow, look at that. That is amazing. What a beautiful valley it is. And now we're going to see if we can find the devil's graves. There's no moon, it's a space station.
That's no moon. It's a space station.
He got tricked. Stupid devil. Could at least finished it. a nun, a saint, and a sieve. What? I understand the candle, but the sieve?
Yeah, no, that doesn't really.
I don't understand. The devil's a bit thick. There you go. I'm kind of expecting the humps to be something very visible and highly recognizable.
It's going to be somewhere around this next corner.
Okay. Devil's Dyke means the devil's enclosure, and I understand where the word enclosure comes from because we're very enclosed. So when we get to the devil's graves, there's a very interesting tradition around that
Okay.
to make the devil appear.
We've got a dance.
Well, actually, you gotta
It's only dancing in your pants around the graves, I'm afraid.
no, you gotta run backwards 7 times without stopping and without breathing, and then the devil appears. You probably die by the time. There you go, hump 1 and hump 2. Are we gonna stand on dead people again?
Yeah, I'm going to go there.
Oh,
There's a hole in it, isn't
oh.
There's life to that, isn't there? You can feel it. That's
It's got something, doesn't it? It's got a soul.
yeah. I think I'd keep walking on that one.
Oh, you don't like it?
Not to sleep under, I think.
Really scared of the tree. Oh.
See, at this point, I'm glad I didn't run backwards 7 times.
Yeah, I don't want to meet the devil around here.
When you had that light behind me, my shadow was massive.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. We can do it.
You see, that's why I'll never watch.
Horror films.
Yeah. Nothing's changed. Everything that was there is still there. Nothing else has come.
Wow. Go. Wow.
Where's the button to turn it off? I'll just
No,
turn
no,
it
just
down.
that. Basically. Oh, that way. And I say, well, with to say, well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye from me, and goodbye from
Him.
him.
Goodbye.
Bye.